Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best ice auger drill bit is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any serious ice angler, transforming the arduous task of drilling holes into a swift and effortless process, allowing you to spend more time fishing and less time working, ensuring you can quickly set up your ice fishing shelter and get your lines in the water before the prime bite window closes. Number 5. DOKOLES Garden Earth Spiral Drill Bit Set. Tired of back-breaking work in the garden? Our upgraded auger drill bits make planting faster and easier than ever before. With a durable, stainless steel design and added blades, they offer superior toughness and efficiency for all your gardening tasks. We offer 4 versatile sizes to tackle any project. From detailed planting with our smallest bit to deep excavations with our largest, these tools are designed to fit your 3/8-inch hex drill driver perfectly. Get the job done right, no matter the scale. Using these auger bits couldn't be simpler. Just attach them to your drill, insert, and rotate to effortlessly remove soil. For best results, we recommend using with an 18V or greater drill. Keep them clean when not in use to maintain their performance. These handy tools aren't just for planting flowers and vegetables. They're perfect for mixing soil and fertilizer, installing fence posts, setting up tents, and so much more. Save time and effort on a wide range of outdoor projects. We stand behind the quality of our auger drill bits. Enjoy peace of mind with our 90-day return policy and lifetime replacement service. If you have any questions, our customer support is ready to assist you. What we like. This set offers a variety of sizes for different planting depths and hole widths. If you need a versatile tool for various gardening tasks from small bulbs to larger projects like fence posts, this is a great choice. It's designed for efficiency and comes with a lifetime replacement service for peace of mind. What people say. The auger is very sharp and cuts through ice quickly. It is lightweight and easy to handle, even for extended periods. The drill bit is durable and has held up well after multiple uses. Number 4. Extended Length Auger Drill Bit for Planting. Introducing our Extended Length Auger Drill Bit, designed to make planting faster and easier. Its upgraded design and sturdy construction ensure higher efficiency for all your gardening needs. Tired of squatting and straining your back? This tool allows you to stand while you dig, saving your back and knees. It makes massive digging tasks much easier and more efficient. Perfect for planting bulbs, flowers, vegetables, and shrubs. You can even use it to dig post holes or anchor your beach umbrella. It's your go-to tool for various outdoor tasks. Compatible with most 3/8 or chuck drills, we recommend an 18V or greater drill for optimal performance. Keep it clean after use to prevent oxidation and ensure longevity. Digging hundreds of holes in just minutes is now possible. This user-friendly design helps you complete your planting jobs quickly without bending over. Built with whole steel pouring, it ensures toughness and durability. This tool is designed to withstand extensive use without bending or breaking, maximizing your planting productivity. What we like. If you want to avoid squatting and protect your back and knees during extensive planting or digging, this extended auger is ideal. It allows you to stand comfortably while working, making large gardening projects much easier and faster. It's perfect for those who have back issues or simply want a more ergonomic solution. What people say. The drill bit cuts through ice quickly and efficiently. It's designed with sharp blades that make drilling easier. The auger bit is durable and holds up well to repeated use. Number 3. RAZR Scout Ice Auger Kit. Introducing the RAZR Scout Ice Auger Kit, your ultimate companion for ice fishing. Experience efficiency and ease with this all-in-one solution. It features 6 curved blades with a center point for superior cutting performance. This design ensures a clean and fast hole every time. Adapt it to your cordless drill with the included adapter and extension. This provides versatile power options for any situation. For manual control, a comfortable hand auger handle is also provided. This gives you the option for precise adjustments or backup power. Safety is paramount with the EasyView safety flange. It offers clear visibility and secure operation during use. The kit comes complete with an Allen key and collar bolts for quick and easy assembly. Everything you need is right in the box. What we like. This is the specialized tool if your primary need is ice fishing. Its curved blades are designed for efficient ice penetration, and it comes with a cordless drill adapter for ease of use. If you're an ice angler looking for a reliable and easy-to-use ice auger, this kit is built for you. What people say. The auger cuts through ice quickly and efficiently. It's easy to attach and detach from the drill, saving time on the ice. The durable construction ensures it will last for many seasons. Number 2. Auger drill bit for planting 4-pack. Introducing the Auger drill bit for planting, a 4-pack designed to make your gardening tasks easier. This tool helps you plant bulbs and bedding plants quickly and efficiently. Featuring an upgraded, sturdy drill bit with an enhanced blade design, this tool ensures toughness and superior performance in your garden. It's the ideal choice for any gardener looking to save time. This set includes 4 different sizes of garden augers, equipped with a 3/8 non-slip drive. It's the perfect toolkit for digging holes of various depths in your yard. Beyond planting, this earth drill auger bit is excellent for digging post holes, tilling soil, and even anchoring beach umbrellas in sand. It's designed to save you valuable time. Compatible with any 3/8 or chuck drill, including cordless models, it makes tough jobs a breeze. For best results, an 18V or greater drill is recommended. This tool performs efficiently on loose soil, hard ground, sand, clay, and even ice. Please note it is not intended for use with heavy roots or solid rock. What we like. For those who need an auger that can handle a wide range of conditions, including ice, this 4-pack is a strong contender. It offers multiple sizes for different tasks and is effective on various soil types from loose to hard ground. If you're looking for a multi-purpose tool that can adapt to different jobs and even work on ice, this set is a great value. What people say. The drill bit is sharp and cuts through ice quickly and efficiently. It is easy to attach and detach from the drill, saving time and effort. The durable construction ensures it will last for many seasons of use. Number 1. K-Brand's 2x32-inch auger drill bit for planting. Introducing the K-Brand's auger drill bit, designed for effortless digging. Simply attach it to your 3/8-inch hex bit drill and let it do the hard work for you. With its extended 32-inch length and 7 spiral blades, this tool eliminates the need for squatting. Experience comfortable digging without straining your back or knees. This versatile tool is perfect for planting bulbs, shredding weeds, and even digging holes for fence posts or umbrellas. It's your essential companion for all yard tasks. Significantly reduce your work time and say goodbye to sore hands. This auger allows you to dig multiple holes quickly and efficiently, compared to traditional methods. Crafted from heavy-duty steel, it effortlessly tackles various soil types. We are committed to your satisfaction with our 100% satisfaction guarantee. What we like. If you're tired of bending and straining your back while gardening, this long auger is your solution. Its extended length and robust design mean you can stand up and dig efficiently, cutting your work time significantly. It's perfect for anyone who wants to make yard work easier and faster, especially for planting bulbs or digging post holes. What people say. The auger cuts through ice quickly and efficiently. It's easy to attach and detach from the drill, saving time on the ice. The durable construction ensures it will last for many seasons of use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.